Hello guys, how to fix if Siri not working on your iPhone? If Siri search not working your iPhone, the first workaround is unlock your iPhone and tap on settings, scroll down and look for Siri and search. Tap on and here make sure that allow Siri when locked is duly enabled and press side button for Siri. Both options should be enabled mode. And check whether your Hey Siri working or not. If not, go to the next fixes. And the next one is again tap on settings of your iPhone and tap on screen time and here tap on content and privacy restrictions and make sure that the under allowed apps Siri and search is enabled under allowed apps and check whether your Siri and search working or not. If not, go to the next fixes and the next one is again tap on settings of your iPhone and tap on Siri and search and here scroll down and Siri responses. Make sure that automatic and prefer a spoken response, both either one is set. Automatic either prefer a spoken responses. The next setting you will have to make in your iPhone, tap on settings and tap on general settings, scroll down and tap on transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset and reset network settings. Unlock your iPhone with passcode or Face ID and again tap on reset network settings and check whether your Siri and search working or not. If not, one more workaround is tap on settings and scroll down and tap on general and tap on keyboard and here make sure that enabled dictation feature is duly enabled. Wait for some times, disable first and re-enable enable dictation feature on your iPhone. And check whether your Siri and search working or not. If not, tap on settings again and tap on general and tap on software update. Sometimes outdated iOS may cause of Siri and search not working, so update your iOS. That